we're here at the Magic the Gathering booth, and here with us is Kuya T, and he is, well, the associate brand manager of Magic the Gathering, or AKA Wizards of the Coast. He's really a big person when it comes to Magic the Gathering, and we're so lucky that we got an interview with him.
Hello guys.
Oh wait.
Hi guys, my name is Z.
Okay, so you know, it's really. I'm still overwhelmed, as you can see, guys. You can see I'm overwhelmed. I can't speak clear. I can speak properly. So, with the question a while ago, what is it that I know? What is your role? I know that your role in this awesome thing is really big, and it's really absolutely amazing that you can come here in the con. So what is it exactly that you do that you know?
Alright, so for my role, actually, we are just trying to push to introduce Magic the Gathering brand experience to the new players around here, or even to the existing players as well. We want to let them know that Magic the Gathering still exists, even though in the past few years we didn't do so much. But now we realize there's a lot of potential for the players here in the Philippines. So we want to introduce the Magic the Gathering experience here at Cosplay Mania. We're going to take that opportunity to introduce that to the players.
People who are going to watch this will be more encouraged to play Magic the Gathering. What is it that you want the viewers to, to advise in playing Magic the Gathering if they want to start out?
Well, if you want to start, come to our booth now at Cosplay Mania for Battle for Zendikar team and learn to play today.